Hi, I'm Tammy with Team Central Florida and Keller Williams, and we are here today with Karen at Waterstone Mortgage. She's going to answer some questions that we've got going here. Karen, thank you for joining me today.
Thank you, Tammy. It's nice to be here with you.
Great. Karen, one of the questions that we get out there is what are the different loan programs that you have available for our clients? We've got one client in particular that Karen just closed his loan. And Karen, he was a pilot and he didn't really want to touch his money. His investments were making really good money where he had them. And what were you able to do for him, Karen?
Okay, so once he told me what his needs are, even though I could see that he had more funds, his intention was to keep those funds in his investment account, I was able to provide 101% financing. That was a combination of a 97% first mortgage with a small 4% second mortgage with interest-only payments, and the interest rate being the same as the ideal interest rate for the first mortgage. And in addition to that, there is no monthly mortgage insurance, even though they're financing greater than 80% of the purchase price. So this program worked out very nicely for him. We combined it with asking a seller to contribute 3%, which is the maximum, in closing costs based off of the purchase price. And so essentially, my client became a homeowner for the first time in his life with $995 out of his pocket.
Wow.
Yes.
He was ecstatic about that loan, Karen.
He was very happy.
He was very happy that he didn't have to take money out of his investments to purchase the home, and the interest rate was really good.
That's right.
So he was a very happy buyer.
Yes. So that is an example of a no down payment scenario. I have a couple of other programs that are like that as well. We also have low down payment programs. If a person is interested in purchasing investment property, they can put down a minimum of 15% with mortgage insurance, 20% with 25% down. They have an even better interest rate. But for people who are wanting to purchase a home maybe for the first time and they're looking for low down, we certainly have a variety of programs that they can turn to. We have loans for the veterans. That would be a VA loan, and you've probably heard of FHA loan. We certainly have that as well.
So Karen, you have construction loans available?
Yes, we have a single close construction loan.
Oh, wow.
And the advantage to that is being able to close one time with just a modification after the home is completed. We don't have to go through a second approval of income and assets, allowing a build period up to 1 year. After that, we would have to go ahead and update and make sure that we still have a qualified borrower. But another great feature about this is that you can finance up to 95%. So a 5% investment, you can still construct a home, which is pretty unheard of in our industry.
Wow, so that would mean they don't have to do the draws? It's a
Well,
close?
what the single close means is the transaction closes, and that would allow the building to commence. So yes, you do make interest-only payments based on the amount of draws from the builder through that build process. So you're making interest-only payments during that period of time, and then when the home is complete, the existing draw type loan modifies into your permanent financing, such as a 30-year fixed rate loan.
Wow. So Karen, we'll be doing more videos of these in the future. Will you come back and answer some more questions on specific loans for us?
I would be happy to. I'd be happy to address a variety of programs that we have through a little more educational type of process. Sure.
Great. Thank you so much for being here with us, Karen, and thank you for answering our questions.
You're welcome, Tammy. Thank you for having me.
Bye-bye.